Dogs, welcome to Drake's Kitchen. Today we are making Mexican pasteles. So we're going to start with 2 cups of flour, tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of baking soda. We're going to use about a tablespoon of salt. Actually, it's a little less than a tablespoon. It's going to be 3/4. Use 3/4 cup of milk. Mix this stuff up. And we're also going to use 6 tablespoons of butter. So this is just shy of a full stick. The trick to this recipe is to freeze your butter. You want that butter to be really rock solid, because what we're actually going to do is we're going to shave this joker inside there. It makes better biscuits, trust me, more flaky, more crispy. This is super easy to do. You're going to take the strainer, cheese grater, take your pin or rolling rod, tape it to the pin. Now we're going to start shaving the butter. But the reason you freeze it is you get it at really cold temperature. We're just going to shave this joker.
Yeah, this takes like 5 more minutes compared to just using Pillsbury biscuit dough, but 10 times better. You can also use croissant dough. I'll make another video on how to make croissants. You'll be able to make some croissants and do it yourself. This makes the flaky biscuits. Get all that dough up. Alright guys, now that we got that dough folded out, let's go ahead and start on our pasteles. So what we're going to do is we're going to smash these suckers out. Roll them out, fold them over a bit. And now we're going to roll, make them like pancakes. Make these a little bit bigger, as big as you want. You're going to make these more like a sheet. And this is why they say no one makes them like Pillsbury. You just roll them out and that's it. It's okay though, this will taste good, it's worth it. Roll these bad boys out. These ones are going to be a bit thinner. So you can roll this, or you can do 2 sheets just like this, or you can just simply just do 1. And then just cut it in half and fold it over. It's up to you what you want to do. This one we're just going to do 1, cut it in half, fold it over. They call these pasteles. You fill it with guava. It's almost like a red paste. They come in like bricks. I'll show you a picture. It's a Mexican style recipe. You want to roll it out thin, not super thin. You can also get puff pastry dough instead of using biscuit. It tastes a little bit better with the puff pastry because it becomes more of a flaky style, but the biscuit will also work for you too because it gives that flaky texture that you're looking for in a pastry. Here doing guava bricks, Iberia guava paste. It's good, gets the job done. Nothing special, but gets it done. Alright, let's lift up this sheet. Hopefully we got no rips. Pick up each corner, one at a time. Alright, there we go. Got a pancake. We're gonna go like this. Slice them. See? Look, we're just gonna fold it over, like so. Anyways, it's not gonna be pretty. I don't go for looks, I go for taste. Now we're gonna cut up this guava. Put it on there. Slice it up nice. This is what the guava looks like. You guys already know what this junk looks like. Looks like jelly that's been, like, coagulated. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's cut this guava. Slice it into slices. You're going to do pieces that are sliced nice and thin. You can go about twice the size of a dime. That'll do. Doesn't have to be super thick, doesn't have to be super thin. I would say go for right in the middle because make it too super thick. And people are like, oh, what'd you make, guava? Nah, I made a pasteli, bro. And then if you do it super thin, then they're going to be like, what'd you make? Bread? Nah, bro. It's guava. Anyways. Normally you'd add cream cheese with it as well. I'm out of cream cheese, so we ain't going to add cream cheese this time. It's COVID-19, guys. Cut me some slack. Alright, so now we're going to take that sheet, swamp, and swamp. And we're gonna do it some more. Don't be chancy on the guava, bro. Make sure to load it up. Everyone likes guava. Well, once you try guava, you'll like it. Then you'll understand what I'm talking about. But we're gonna spread it out pretty even so everyone gets their own piece of guava. Remember guys, you can add cream cheese to this. It makes it better. You should add cream cheese. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I am out of cream cheese, so we're not making it with cream cheese in this recipe. Take this sucker, fold it over. Looks nice, I think, right? Yeah, we'll make it look nice. Tuck down around the guava so we can see where we're cutting. Tuck it down. It's okay if it doesn't look pretty, guys. Remember, like I said, we ain't going for looks. We go for taste. Trust me, this will hit on the taste. Cut it in half, or cut it where the guava lies, or right in between it. Now we're gonna get a pan. Big pan, bro. Spray with the best of the best. Cocoa nut. Alright, now we're gonna slap each and every one on there. Remember, be generous with the guava. Don't be cheap. This one. Oh, we forgot one. Slice. Yeah, it helps to use a pizza cutter. It's a lot easier. Throw each and every one on there. Dude, it looks like we were chancy on some of these. We're adding more guava, guys. No worries. Reinforcements! Alright, let's go ahead and slap this in here. Oh yeah, it needs a reinforcement here. Reinforcement here. Big time! Oh, these suckers are gonna be good, man. Everyone likes guava. Well, if you haven't had it, you don't know what you're missing out on, so you're gonna have it now. You'll know how to make this joker. Fill them up! Fill them up! Dude, we're gonna make this sucker, like, extra guava-y. This stuff's good. Really good. Stretch it around. Bring it around town. This one's gonna be super good. Now we're gonna take this, slap it in the oven, and we'll see you in like 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
These are them pastelillos. I gotta use a different camera, my other one ran out of power. Alright, so you take it about 10 minutes through, take some butter, wipe it on these jokers. You know, like flip flap. Flip flap. Butter. Have you ever seen that joke? Butterfly? Yeah, no, this butter's not gonna fly. Anyways, just wipe it on there as good as you can. Watch this. I'm gonna watch butter melt. Look at that, dude. Global warming. And this is how avalanches happen. Guys, make sure to recycle. If you're watching this video, shout out to them recyclers. Uh-oh. Here she goes. Alright, so let's go ahead and slap all these jokers with some butter. Slap, slap. Slap, slap, slap. Don't use that, I can't believe it's not butter junk. We use Sam's Club. Sam's Club's pretty good. They just sell the cheapest, guys. Use any kind of butter you want. Everyone says Land O'Lakes is pretty good. Oh, dude, look at that guava beast. That was a guava beast. Anyways, that'll be good too. Alright, slap it back in the oven. To the oven we go. Wom wom.
Turn that temp down to 375 and then cook it for like 5 more minutes.
5 minutes later.
Ah, it's hot. Ah. Alright, anyways. Alright, here's the pastelis. These suckers are good. Just serve them up, eat them up. I don't know, do whatever. I'll show you what they look like in the inside. Ah. Put them on a plate, just like this. Take some powdered sugar, put it in a strainer, or you can be lazy like me and just leave it in the cup. Just go like that. Or you can just pop it over the pan. And that's how you make pastelis, dudes. We're gonna go to cut into it, so let you see how it looks. This. Oh, dude, that's nice. Look at that. Look at the inside of that stuff. Nice and flaky. Oh yeah, look at that jelly. It's good, trust me. Thanks for watching, guys. Welcome to Drake's Kitchen, where there are no rules, bro. Forget the Pillsbury, make your own.